Halloween party.
What do you got there, dear?
Oh, just some stuff for a Halloween party at school. I'm the treasurer.
Oh, I didn't know you were gonna have a Halloween party at school.
Well, we're just gonna dress up and play some games.
Oh, that sounds like fun. School parties always are. You said it. Get out of
Yeah, Halloween.
Don't you like Halloween fun?
Got it just about all planned. I thought we'd finish off the evening cool down.
I hope they don't pull that stuff at our party.
What are you worried about? You can't dance anyway.
You can, I suppose. What do you got there, dear?
Some stuff for a Halloween party at school. I'm the treasurer.
Oh, I didn't know you were gonna have a Halloween party at school.
Well, we're just gonna dress up and play some games.
Oh, that sounds like fun. School parties always are. Get out of stuff.
Yeah, Halloween.
Don't you like Halloween?
Halloween.